Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to show you real quick the Dometic Go product line for outdoor camping and tailgating. It's great products, they got a lot of great features, so let's get started. All right, let me start by showing you their biggest cooler. This is the ocean color, very beautiful. First of all, it has some sturdy handles on each side. You got your drain plug to drain your ice water. All right, look how big this is. Got my ice sitting here on the bottom. Things that you don't want to be touching the ice, they got this cool little rack that you can move side to side. So if you want to keep your bread in there or any other items that you don't want touching the ice and getting soggy. It's got a nice seal here. It stays cold for a very long time. So check this out. This is their little dry storage bin. Open it up. You've got some inserts here. You could either fill it with 2 of these, 4 of these, mix and match, and keep your dry goods in there, foil, utensils, can opener, plastic wrap, whatever. That's just your dry storage. This little container, you can opt to get this insulated little insert, put some ice in there, carry your beers, sodas, put a sandwich in there. This comes out and you can take it down to the beach, down to the lake. And what's super cool, these inserts, when you do take them out, they got these little carrying handles, very convenient, very practical. Okay, finally, we're to the third and my favorite product that they have on the Dometic Go. This is the Dometic Go water faucet water jug. It's 2 separate items. It holds 11 liters. So this is the faucet. It's magnetic. It sits right here on top. It has a USB charger, just like you would charge your phone. Comes with 2 magnetic pucks. Just sticks on there like that. You can turn it either way. So if you're camping at night, it has a little LED light here so you can see what you're doing. Okay, to operate the faucet, it's super simple. 2 touches, comes on. To turn it off, 1 touch, and it'll turn itself off after 1 minute or 1 liter of water is dispensed. And then this is where you fill it. Pop that out, fill it up. And it's got a little valve here to kind of adjust the flow, let more air in or out. And then of course, the handles to carry it around wherever you want to put it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little demo of the super cool Dometic Go product line. Click on the link below for my favorite essential outdoor camping, tailgating, kitchen equipment. And thanks for tubing in.